What's up, YouTube? I got an unboxing here. Let's check it out. Damn. Portland Trailblazers Diamond. Mitchell & Ness. Sick hat. Yup. Got this off of Amazon for $30. Real Mitchell & Ness. I'm gonna have a pickup here in a little bit. Gotta upload it. It's a new snapback. Got that one at Zoomy, so it'll be up in a little bit. Alright, that's about it. Portland Trailblazers Diamond, Mitchell & Ness.